Hey there, my students. Ever wondered what is actually going in your head while you are tackling a tough physics questions? Students, today we are in for a treat. Today I'm going to talk about the four main happy brain chemicals that actually you can inject in and you feel happy. Get ready for a dose of neurobiology that is just as exciting as solving a physics question. Let's see. The four. First one, dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphin. Let's start with dopamine. Yes, that's the biggest one actually. That's the reward chemical. You finish a tough task. You finish 50 MCQ paper and you write down all the equations. You get that feeling that I have completed something. You get 75 out of 100 from a paper. You get that feeling I have completed something. You clean the room, you clean your desk, you arranged your notes, and you get dopamine. Students, this is a very fascinating, very helpful brain chemical. So how do you boost it? Just as I said, finish your task. When everything is complicated, say now you have plenty of homework to do, you have lots of work to do, you will not get dopamine because you cannot finish them. You get stress hormone. So what you can do, you can slightly separate them for small tasks. So within the week you have lots of work to do, so you narrow it down. For one day I'll finish MCQs in this day, I'll write the equations the other day, I'll draw the diagrams the other day, I'll do the homework of the class in this day. Likewise, you narrow it down, you separate it in separate days for small tasks. So once you finish the task, you get a shot of dopamine. That actually a really good feeling. Moving into second, serotonin. It's actually when it's balanced, you feel more balanced, calm and composed, that thing. So if you feel like certain kind of an anxiety in your head, that's because serotonin level is not that good. So how you boost it? Actually, what you can do is you can walk out in sun, get some sunlight. Walk when you go to classes and when you go to school. Actually, you can actually walk, not just walk to the school, but a certain extent you can walk. Do some regular exercise, small exercise. I mean, not heavy exercise, small exercise and all that. That will boost your serotonin level. Once you don't feel like doing papers, doing questions, you feel stressed, and that's because lack of serotonin. So do the things that I'm telling you to boost the serotonin level. That will help you to get some good, relaxed mind to do work. And there's another thing that I have to mention. Actually, good sleep will increase the serotonin level. That's the main problem actually facing students close to the age 16 to 25 even. Actually, people do not sleep. So when I ask for my students, actually they tell me I sleep around 2:33. Some people around 5. So students, but actually you can get some good sleep during the night time. Remember that will reward you with some good brain happy chemicals. The third one, oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Actually, it's called the love hormone. Anyway, you might think actually what's the connection with this and our physics studies. Actually, when your environment, when you are feel relaxed with the people you are with, I mean, when you have good connections with your friends, your parents, your siblings and all that, you can study. Actually, when you have any problem with them, actually you cannot study. So students, how to maintain that oxytocin level in a good way? So have a good friendship circle where you help each other. You can teach some, if you are good with physics, actually you can teach others, help others with the studies. Or on the other hand, actually there are other students who are really good. So you can, if you have a problem, actually you can go to them and ask them to solve certain physics or whatever the science questions you have. They teach you basically. So you feel that bonding. You have a group to help each other. Even texting with a friend in a good way, it will help you to boost the oxytocin level. That's a good thing actually. If you have a pet at home, yes, having a chat with the pet will be really helpful if you know how to do it right. The fourth one, endorphin. It's actually the natural painkiller. When you have pain, you have worked out, or you have a heavy, after finishing a heavy task, the muscle pain will be relieved by releasing of endorphin, right? So basically, students, this will give you a good relaxed sleep actually, and it will make you happy for sure. So what basically you can do to boost endorphin level, actually work out. So you do a heavy question, really heavy thinking and all that, you feel like nothing's happening now. So what you can do small type of push-ups, pull-ups, and whatever the, maybe you can dance to a song or something like that heavy. You get the feeling, the sweat comes out from your body, you feel you're tired physically, get tired physically, and that will boost endorphin. Not just say now you are stay at home, maybe 10 to 12 hours a day, get some workout. You should do some regular exercises. It will boost your mood. Students, remember that you have to have balanced mind, the mood up to a level to study. Ultimately, even if you study, if you are not happy, you will not be rewarded with good marks. Remember that. You have to make sure that you are happy. You are the person who's responsible for your happiness. Remember that. So there you are. We went through a quick rundown of 4 brain happy chemicals. I hope you learned something. So if you have learned something, make use of it. Remember that for the betterment of your studies. So students, have that curious mind as a science student, as a physics student, and keep exploring inside and outside. Cheers.